Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
You arrive in Vietnam. The streets are alive, scooters rushing past, the smell of street food in the air. Someone smiles at you and says something in Vietnamese. You freeze. You hesitate. You don't know what to say. And in that moment, you feel the distance. But what if you could respond, even just a few words? And suddenly, everything changes. People smile wider. They help you faster. They respect the effort. Because language is connection. Today, I'm going to teach you 30 essential Vietnamese phrases that every traveler needs. Simple, useful, powerful. Let's begin. Phrase 1. Xin chào. Hello. Phrase 2. Chào buổi sáng. Good morning. Phrase 3. Chào buổi chiều. Good afternoon. Phrase 4. Chào buổi tối. Good evening. Phrase 5. Tạm biệt. Goodbye. Phrase 6. Cảm ơn. Thank you. Phrase 7. Cảm ơn nhiều. Thank you very much. Phrase 8. Không có gì. You're welcome. Phrase 9. Làm ơn. Please. Phrase 10. Xin lỗi. Sorry. Gạch chéo. Excuse me. Phrase 11. Bạn có nói tiếng Anh không? Do you speak English? Phrase 12. Tôi không hiểu. I don't understand. Phrase 13. Bạn có thể lặp lại không? Can you repeat? Phrase 14. Làm ơn giúp tôi. Please help me. Phrase 15. Nhà vệ sinh ở đâu? Where is the bathroom? Phrase 16. Ở đâu? Where is? Phrase 17. Ga ở đâu? Where is the station? Phrase 18. Làm sao để đến? How do I get to? Phrase 19. Cái này đi đến không? Does this go to? Phrase 20. Cái này bao nhiêu tiền? How much is this? Phrase 21. Cho tôi xem menu. Menu, please. Phrase 22. Tôi muốn cái này. I want this. Phrase 23. Rất ngon. Very delicious. Phrase 24. Cho tôi nước. Water, please. Phrase 25. Tính tiền. The bill, please. Phrase 26. Cái này là gì? What is this? Phrase 27. Có thể rẻ hơn không? Can it be cheaper? Phrase 28. Tôi có thể trả bằng thẻ không? Can I pay by card? Phrase 29. Có. Yes. Phrase 30. Không. No. And there you have it. 30 essential Vietnamese phrases that can completely transform your travel experience. You don't need to be fluent. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Because in Vietnam, even a small effort goes a long way. It builds connection. It earns respect. It makes your journey smoother. So save this video, practice these phrases, and step into your next trip with confidence. Because when you speak even a little, the world feels closer. Safe travels, and enjoy Vietnam.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.